My name is Amos, so I'm actually working as an engineer.
Hi, I'm Lana. I'm from Thailand. I am online business owner.
What motivates me for investing, right, is actually I'm looking for additional source of income for our family. I think for now, our current goal, right, is to be financially free. We want our passive income to at least be able to cover our expenses.
My favorite part is about the way he teach. When he give us example or the way he explain is very simple, easy to understand. Because I'm not a native speaker, but when I listen to him, then I can just understand what he talking about.
What I like most about VIA is the lesson goes through the calculation of intrinsic value and understanding how do we derive to the intrinsic value of a company. So we know when to buy and when to sell.
Now I'm 27 years old, right? And I don't want my friends or my colleague to work the rest of their life like that. So I would recommend them to learn this course for sure.
Yes, I would recommend this to my friends because I want the community to be bigger so I can invest and continue to learn with my friends.